Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to skip blanks while copying in Excel. Why would you want to know how to skip blanks while copying in Excel? Well, maybe you just want to skip all these many blanks or you have problem in copy and paste. So today I am going to show you how to skip blanks while copying in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now, I'm going to copy that, Control C and paste here. See, blanks. Let's go back. Now, copy names. Here, right click in mouse and paste special. Skip blanks. Press on skip blanks and OK. There you go. If you want to know how to skip blanks while copying in Excel, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.